Hey everyone, ever wanted to automatically link your GitHub commits to Jira issues? In this quick video, I'll show you how to do it effortlessly with GitHub's native auto-linking feature. No third-party apps required. So here's the deal. When you include an issue key in your commit messages or pull requests, GitHub can automatically turn it into a clickable link that takes you straight to Jira. Let's set it up. First, head to your repository settings. Remember, this is done repo by repo. Unfortunately, no global setting for all repos yet. Scroll down to Autolinks and click Add Autolink Reference. Here's where the magic happens. Enter your key mask. In our case, it's for the project key DV, so each issue looks like DV-123. Now point GitHub to your Jira URL, and don't forget to include num for the issue number extraction. Easy. Once set up, your commits with issue keys will automatically link back to Jira. For example, typing DV-456 in a commit message or pull request will create a clickable link to that Jira issue. Works like a charm. This feature is supported across all GitHub plans, whether you're on free, team, or enterprise. Simple, built-in, and super efficient. That's it. A quick and simple way to keep your team's work in sync with GitHub and Jira. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.